count for over 25 years. He is such a big star. It takes 50 balloon handlers to maneuver all those feathers down Central Park West.
Yes, and what a brave boy he is. Lest we forget it is Thanksgiving morning and many supermarkets are closed.
Good luck, Big Bird. Have a great holiday. Look at him dipping. Wow! Well, he's got his nose down to the sidewalk at this point. This is fabulous. Hello, Arthur. A brand new balloon in the Thanksgiving parade. Arthur is America's favorite aardvark.
What?
He has a nose for more than just ants. Yes, Arthur is a serious reader.
And Arthur has a pair of serious reading glasses. They're 12 feet wide prescription lenses. That means Arthur can see everybody on the street waving up to him. Hey, Arthur!
Can you imagine the size of his contact lenses? And Arthur is a fan of the Read More About It spots on CBS. I think one should listen to a 68-foot tall aardvark, don't you, Greg?
I certainly do.